Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I want to welcome all our new subscribers, and to all our old subscribers, thank you very much for sticking with us. In today's video, we're going to look at how to use data analysis ToolPak from Microsoft Excel to perform various statistical analysis that we have learned in the past. You can see the data that we have here. From this particular data, you can see some numeric variables like sales. We have sales over here, and then we have quantity sold, we have discount rates, we have delivery days, and profit margin. From all these numeric data, we are going to perform various statistical analysis on each and every one of them. So let us proceed. So if we go to this worksheet that we have here, that is named descriptive. So if we click on that, you can see that we have imported the sales variable and the quantity sold variable. Let me quickly delete this. So this is the two variables that I'll be working with for this lesson. We are going to see how we can use the Microsoft Excel to calculate the necessary descriptive measures for these two variables. So let's see how to do it. So at first, we are going to proceed to the data tab, which is over here. For me, this is an older version of Excel, so if I go to data tab, I'll simply go to statistics and then go to descriptive statistics. But for those of you that have an upgraded version of Excel, first of all, you are going to proceed to the data tab, and then on the data tab there is an option that says data analysis ToolPak. You can activate this data analysis ToolPak from this particular settings, where you see analysis tools option, which is above. If you click on that particular setting, you'll see the analysis ToolPak. So if it is unchecked, then you have to check it, and then you have to click on OK. However, we are going to proceed, or rather you are going to proceed to the data analysis ToolPak. Then you click on it, and from this you are going to find the descriptive analysis option, and if you explore it, you'll find descriptive statistics here. So you select it and click OK. But for me, it is quite easy and more straightforward. If I go to the data tab, then I go to statistics, and then under statistics I'll just click on descriptive statistics. After doing so, you will see this particular dialog that I have in front of me. Now we have to input some information to Excel Data Analysis ToolPak, so that it can generate the descriptive analysis for the variables effectively. At first, we have to provide the input range. In this particular cell, we will input or put the input range there, or provide the input range, and then so we click on the blank cell. Then we have to proceed to these variables. So I'll click on this blank cell over here, then I'll go ahead and select all this information, That is all the numeric information that we'll be using. So I have selected all the numeric variables that we have for performing the descriptive analysis. So after selecting everything on my own, you can see that it wants where it's going to place the output, that is results to. But if you have a new version or the latest version of Excel, what you will have there is, or rather the next thing you will do is to go ahead to select there will be a particular option which reads labels in first row. So you go ahead and then select that option. So what it means is that it is saying that labels in the first row is going to use the labels as like whatever is in the first row is going to use it as the variable name, sort of the variable level or the row level. So we have to click, or rather you have to click on labels in first row. Next thing is to define where we want to place our analysis output. So suppose we want our output to be on cell D1. I've done that. You select or you click on cell D1 and then you click OK, and then you'll have this output that I have on my screen. So I went ahead to change the column names as sales and quantity sold. So the next thing to do is to select the whole values. So what I did was to go to the home tab, and then from the home tab I selected the drop down, and then I clicked on number. So when you click on number, you should have this output. Is for more precise look of the information we have. We can select all the columns and double click to adjust, but I have done that already. But if you need to adjust, you just come over here and then you double click, and then everything just adjusts. And that is all. We've got our descriptive analysis output. So let's see the descriptives of sale. The average sales is around $535 US, as you can see here. Then you can see the median value, which is $522 US. You can see the mode is around 619. That means most of the purchase that happened in this business was valued at 619 US. You can also see the standard deviation value, which is very, very huge compared to the average value, indicating fluctuation in the sales value is very, very high. We can see the skewness and kurtosis. The skewness value is 0.24. Here you can see that the skewness value is between minus or negative 0.5 and positive 0.5. So we can say the distribution for the variable sale is approximately symmetric or normally distributed. And then we have the value of the kurtosis as negative 0.12. So if the kurtosis value ranges between minus 3 to plus 3, then we say the kurtosis or the thickness of the distribution is moderate. So it is within the range. So we can say that the thickness of this distribution for the variable sale is moderate. Then going ahead, we can see the range next. We got the range by, or you can get the range manually by subtracting the minimum and the maximum value. You can see here the maximum sale in this particular data set is valued at $890, and the minimum sales value is around $167. You can see the total sales made by the company, which is around $53,526, and you can see the total number of transactions made is 100. That is the count. Now if we proceed to the quantity sold, you can see the average quantity sold is around 32 pieces. You can see the median, and based on the mode value that we have under the quantity sold, you can conclude that most of the customers purchased around 26 units of product. Moving ahead, we can see the standard deviation is around 7, which is a moderate value considering the average value. So we can say that there is a moderate fluctuation in purchasing the number of products by each customer. So we can also see the kurtosis for quantity sold is between -3 and +3, which indicates the thickness of the distribution for the variable quantity sold is very optimum. Next, we can see the skewness is also within the range of -0.5 to +0.5. So we can say, based on the value of the skewness, that the distribution for the quantity sold is approximately normal. Then you can see the minimum quantity sold to a particular customer was around 15 units, and the maximum was around 43 units. We can also see that the total number of units of products sold by this company is around 3,155. So this is how you can perform descriptive analysis for any numeric data using Microsoft Excel Data Analysis ToolPak. So that will be all for now, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Please do not forget to like and do not forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment sections below. Thank you.